What's up, everyone? This is Richie Goad, Minister of Discipleship here at Catalyst Church, and this is Connection Groups Winging It. All right, I am here with the Lampert family, and we're going to be talking about their connection group that meets on Tuesday nights at 6:30. And from my left to right, we have our man, Joe. What's your name, Jackson?
Jackson.
Okay.
Jen.
Jacob. What's up, Jacob?
Hi.
How's it going, dude? Doing all right, buddy?
Yeah.
Awesome. So, here's what I want to propose. I want to propose right here, right now, that we do a little game called Two Truths and a Lie. All right? Jacob, do you got your two truths and a lie off the top of your head right now?
Yes.
Okay.
I watched Percy Jackson less than an hour ago.
Okay.
I got home at exactly 3:40.
Okay. From school, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And our dog pooped in my room about 3 hours ago.
Ooh. That's a tough one. I think the lie is probably 3:40. Am I right? Dude, which one's the lie?
My dog pooped.
Your dog, so out of all the things you could have lied about, you lied about your dog pooping.
You know what? I have some good lies up my sleeve.
Is that, you got some good lies up your sleeve?
Yes, I do.
Is that right, Mom and Dad?
Probably.
Probably. Awesome.
Okay, you wanna go?
Yes.
I haven't come up with mine.
Sure.
All right.
I grew up in Colorado.
Okay.
My wife is a better snow skier than me.
Oh, man. Okay.
I'm a very patient person.
Gosh. Well, I know the first one is true, right?
Yeah.
The second one wouldn't surprise me. Now, the third one would surprise me, but is the third one the lie?
Yep.
Wait, no.
Oh,
No,
gosh.
skiing's the lie.
Well,
So-
used to be I was a better skier.
Is that right? You used to be the better skier?
That has changed.
Gotcha. Any other truths and lies around this table? All right. Give it to us, Jackson. What you got, bro?
I'm a starting striker at Northwest.
Okay.
I love the water,
Okay.
and I love sad things.
I think is it the last one?
No,
Which one is it?
no, I'm a starting striker.
What? It's the first one?
He's a starting goalie.
You're a starting goalie. Gosh, I need to... Dude, are you really? Dude, congrats on that. I'll have to get myself a schedule, man. But, man, I got to learn my positions. The goalie is the one who, like, goals, like, make sure, like, the other team doesn't get a goal, right? Okay, I had a feeling that's what that was. So,
Oh, I'm
Jennifer, what do you got for us?
I love to plan things.
Okay.
I was born in Florida,
Okay.
and I love spicy things.
It's the last one. It's gotta be the last one. Oh my gosh. So our very own Ron Barron's, he made these sauces, and this one is called Ron's Replacement for Tabasco sauce. So it's got a little bit of a kick, but it's not too insane and aggressive. So y'all ready?
Jackson,
1, 2, 3.
You're gonna die. Oh yeah, these are pretty good. I mean, yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright, can I eat it?
Go ahead, man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can I?
Yeah. I gave you an extra one.
Well,
What do you think, guys?
That's pretty good.
Yeah, not bad.
Oh,
Oh, burning on the tongue.
Oh.
It's getting hotter.
Yeah.
It's one of those things that settles in, dude. It like, at first it's not too terrible, and then after a few seconds it's like, oh, yep, that's hot sauce.
Yep.
All right, so I want y'all to just tell us a little bit about yourself. We already kind of know a little bit from the 2 Truths and a Lie segment, but just kind of tell us what you do for a living, where you grew up, and how you got connected with Catalyst.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
So, I'm work at Epps Logistics right across the street.
Nice.
Been there 19 years. We are a logistics freight brokerage company. And yeah, we started Catalyst Church, I guess, 14 years ago, probably.
Nice. So about when the church started,
Yeah.
right?
He was almost 1. He was like 10 months old, and he's 13.
Okay.
So,
Cool.
13 years
So
ago.
13 years ago.
Yeah.
Precise. 13 years, 2 months, and something days, and an hour.
In an hour.
Something like that.
Something
Nice.
like that.
Sweet. And you, hey, real quick, you had something to do with us getting into this building, right?
A little bit.
Yeah. That's awesome. A little bit. Sweet.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Just
He
a little
talks
bit.
a lot.
For sure. I can tell, dude. All right, Jen.
Yeah, so we've been coming here for 13 years, and I've been at my job for 19 years as well. I'm an engineer. I work at Analog Devices.
Sweet. Awesome. And y'all met in college, right?
Yes.
Where'd y'all go to college at?
Charlotte 49ers.
That's right.
Charlotte 49ers. Where you played college soccer.
I did, yeah.
Awesome. Sweet. Were you the starting striker?
Defender. Defender.
Defender.
Defender.
That's right.
He
I
beat
can
like
dig it.
15 million seniors.
Well, boys, give us some stuff about y'all.
Alright.
I don't know. I'm only 11.
I'm only 11. I don't know a
have
whole lot
bunch of
yet.
experience.
I go to Northwest Middle School,
Oh yeah, same.
8th grade this year.
Sweet.
No.
Yeah.
Starting
Goalie.
goalie.
I'm from Northwest Middle School in 6th grade. I'm probably a bench in Northwest soccer.
Is that right?
But you made the team.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm ready for another one.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do
Me
it.
too.
Yeah, let's do
I'm
it.
ready for
All right.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
So
go.
this
Put all the
is-
sauce on.
This is, and I'll say accurately called Ron's Hellfire Sauce, and it's bad. It's not ideal.
That was
Spicy.
funny. Let's figure this one out.
All right, let's go.
Pretty good.
Oh, man.
I can
I
feel
got
it.
a lot on the inside of this cheek.
That's,
I was trying not to get on my lips, but it's all on this side of the cheek.
Yeah.
Like all of it on this side of the cheek. You can lose whenever you want.
I ain't losing.
Rich.
You
Not used to it by now.
Nope. You never get used to this stuff. Oh my god.
water does nothing to help
I
that,
know.
though.
Yeah, but I mean, he's gonna man up.
Be a man.
Be a man.
Be a man. That's gonna be the name of this video. Be a man.
You guys are going to spill the...
It's all good. Is it bad?
I'm
Right, what's your next question? I'm ready.
All right.
ask him.
It came out of his nose. Oh my god. Oh,
It's going through my eyeballs now.
Oh, dude.
It's coming
Hey.
out his eyeballs.
Oh boy, don't throw up on good stuff.
They're right there. That is rough, dude.
Get some milk.
Nope.
I'm a man, Mom.
He's turning to man. I mean, he's 13.
You know what? It keeps coming out of my nose.
You're becoming a man today, buddy.
Becoming a
I
man.
have to take him to the emergency room.
I'm ready for the next question.
All right, this is a good question for all of y'all, actually, because I'd like to hear all of y'all's input on this. So you've been in Catalyst 13 years, and you've been in connection groups before. I just want to ask you, starting with you, Joe, and going around the table, what has been like, why are connection groups important, and what have you enjoyed about them?
Yeah, we've been going connection groups for a really long time.
The whole time.
Nice.
The whole time.
We would get
we've been-
babysitters for
That's
him.
right.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
right. And then we've been hosting and leading for, I guess, the last 3 sessions, maybe.
Maybe. Or we
Yeah.
go on and off.
Nice.
Yep.
So, I mean, I think we get to spend time together. You know, our connection group, Taco Tuesday.
Sir.
Taco Tuesday.
Yeah.
We need to eat Rio.
All right. So if you don't like
Is that tonight?
tacos,
Maybe.
probably our group is.
Maybe yours isn't the one for you.
We don't do tacos every Tuesday.
Yeah,
right?
we
Yeah.
A lot of
No,
Tuesdays.
A lot of
Yeah.
Tuesdays.
It's
Yeah.
pretty much Taco Tuesday.
Man.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. But yeah, you get to know each other better and get to talk about either whatever we're studying or the lesson that you guys preach on Sunday and
Sweet.
ask more questions and
Yeah, we ask your questions.
Oh, sweet. That's good to hear.
Yeah.
Cool.
We don't deviate off your questions.
You don't deviate at all.
No.
Gotcha. Was
Yeah.
is that your
He comes
is that
up-
one of the lies?
So we ask your question, and if nobody understands it, it's fine. We'll sit in awkward silence till
Dude.
somebody does.
because
Isn't
he doesn't
awkward-
mind awkward silence.
I love awkward silence.
I love awkward
It's so
silence.
fun.
That's right. Scott doesn't.
Yeah, I know.
The more you see him squirm,
The funnier it gets.
yeah, he starts shifting.
All right, boys. So here's my question for you two. Y'all been involved, you've been involved in Catalyst Student Ministries, 6th through 12th grade for a couple of months, few weeks now. You've gone on a trip. You've got to see what Sunday nights are like. You've been involved for the last few years. Tell us something that you enjoy about youth group or a special memory. It'll give some of the kids who are watching this, get them excited to be able to come.
For youth group, I really loved Carowinds.
Carowinds was pretty good, wasn't it?
It was the longest line was like 15 minutes, and we didn't even use a pass.
Dude, the short lines, I think, is what killed me. Going on one right after another. It was,
Really?
yeah, it wasn't.
We just kept going.
Yeah.
We went on every ride almost twice.
I learned that day that my body has its limits. So,
Did you go on the Nighthawk?
went on pretty much everything. It was good. What was your favorite?
Favorite?
I liked Intimidator.
That's pretty good.
I like when so what me and my brother did. So when we go up that big hill and then it drops down, you slow down a little bit, put our legs up in the air, it feels like floating.
Nice.
Um,
I really like the one that broke.
Fury.
Fury, yeah. That one was pretty
That
cool.
one was good.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That was good. Dude, what's a memory you have?
I mean, you
Okay, I
that's
like-
not burning, are they?
Not, never. And they never were. I'm just,
I like that one game. What's it called? Where throw the ball up and you say the number, and
Oh,
if it's
yeah.
your number,
and then.
catch it and throw it out.
Yeah.
I
We
like
have some
that.
fun playing some games, don't we?
I love how Jack would always hit someone in the face.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite things, too.
I remember the jousting, like the finger jousting, and then
Oh, that
it
got
was him
intense.
versus Timothy.
Oh, yeah.
He's like this. And then Timothy's like,
That was fun. We also play.
Sounds like it.
They love. Well, they don't love it. They get aggravated every time I tell them we're gonna play it. But man, gorilla gun. So it's like rock, paper, scissors, shoot. But man, gorilla gun, and we play that. Overplay it, but it's a good go-to. All right. Well, that is going to wrap up
All right, well, cheers.
this
That was
episode.
good.
Hey, there we go. That wraps up this
For manning
episode.
up. Oh, come on. We'll go man up
Of
and do a cheers.
Connection
Good
Grip
job.
Swinging It.
All right,
Good
cheers.
job, guys.
I win. I
That was delayed.
It's going back up my nose again.
If you have any questions about connection groups, don't hesitate to reach out to me, Richie Goad, at richie@catalystchurch.org.